S cool on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming here today with another cooking video. Today I'm making mango sauce. That's how we call it back home. So this is all the ingredients you will need. Of course you will need mango, scallions, 1 big onion, hot peppers. This is smoked fish. This is fresh fish. I'm gonna boil it in there. Of course palm oil, salt, and 1 bouillon cube. So I'm gonna take you through it. Let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into this cooking. So at first I'm just gonna add the mango inside, let that boil. I'm gonna blend the onion, scallions, and hot pepper with the smoked fish together. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe by that time we're gonna let this boil. Hey guys, our mango have been boiling, so I'm just going to take this fish out so I can add the blended scallions, onions, and hot pepper with the smoked fish. So I'm just going to add that in like so. And add my bouillon cube. Then before I cover it, I'm just gonna take the bone out of this fish here, add it, then cover. So I took the bone out, and I'm just going to add it before I cover it. See that? So I'm just gonna let this boil like for 15 minutes before I add in the palm oil and the salt. And I'm just checking on the mango sauce. See? Looking good already, and it smells really good, guys. So now it's time to add the oil, palm oil. Bismillah. Add that. Add the salt. And yeah, now we are going to put the lid back on for another 20 minutes. So by that time it will be done for sure. Look at it, guys. Looks good. Okay guys, this is our mango sauce after 20 minutes. Just gonna leave it for 10 more minutes, then I'm gonna show you the final result. So see you in 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the finished look of my mango sauce. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on my next video. And check my description box. All the ingredients and the measurement are listed down below. Thank you so much, and bye.